Hey guys, it's Melissa May here. I'm going to a Halloween party tonight and get to dress up, which I love to do, and of course I'm gonna go all out. And this year I'm going to be a gypsy slash pirate lady slash fortune teller slash dead lady, and I did like a little rough sketch of what I plan to do to my face. We'll see how that goes. If it goes well, I may post this video, and if it doesn't go well and I can't edit it, I'm not gonna post this video. So I'm gonna start off by moisturizing, just to protect my skin from the nasty makeup. Here I go.
Put a spell on you, 'cause you're mine. You better stop the things you do. I tell you, I ain't lying. I ain't lying. You know I can't stand it. You running around. You know better, daddy. I can't stand it. 'Cause you put me down. I put a spell on you, because you're mine. I put a spell on you, because I ain't lying. You know I can't stand it. You running around. You know better, daddy. I can't stand it. 'Cause you put me down. I put a spell on you, because you're mine. I put a spell on you, because